is Peter Lele. I'm the CEO for National Police Service Commission, and we have asked you to come along this morning for purposes of sharing with us our progress in our mandate, the mandate of the Commission. We, as you are aware, this Commission is created under Article 246 of the Constitution, and we have been given largely the human resource functions of the National Police Service, and it is the right of Kenyans and everybody to receive progress from time to time about how we are carrying out that mandate. We have called you today particularly for purposes of sharing with you an activity that is going on in the Commission. We are in the process of interviewing senior officers of police who need to progress from the ranks of Chief Inspector to Assistant Superintendent. And after a process that has gone very well, the officers have gone through trainings in various colleges, and now they have come for interviews for us to be able to determine their suitability to progress to the next rank. So in total we will be interviewing 132 officers, and so that I do not delve into the details that is preserved to the acting chairperson of this commission. You are all aware that the rest of the other members of the commission will be joining us later, but we have enough, we have a critical minimum to operate. It is now my pleasure to welcome you, members of the press,